World Best Motorcycle Aprilia RSV4 Factory. In the elite world of high-performance superbikes, the Aprilia RSV4 Factory stands tall as a paragon of Italian engineering excellence. This article pays tribute to the Aprilia RSV4 Factory, exploring its rich history, exceptional features, and the unparalleled riding experience it offers, establishing it as one of the world's finest motorcycles. A legacy of excellence. Aprilia's RSV4 series has a storied history of dominance in superbike racing, with the RSV4 Factory representing the zenith of Italian motorcycling prowess. Exquisite Italian design. The RSV4 Factory boasts a design that is a symphony of aerodynamics and elegance, with a razor-sharp profile that accentuates its racing pedigree. Soul-stirring V4 engine. At its core lies a 1.078cc V4 engine, meticulously crafted to deliver thrilling power and performance, producing over 217 horsepower. Advanced electronics suite. The motorcycle features a comprehensive electronics package with multiple riding modes, traction control, wheelie control, quick shifters, cornering ABS, and an advanced TFT display, offering both precision and rider safety. Race-bred chassis and suspension. A race-derived chassis, Bolin suspension components, and Brembo braking systems contribute to the RSV4 Factory's exceptional handling, providing riders with an unmatched sense of control. Track-ready performance. The Aprilia RSV4 Factory is engineered for the track, offering riders a taste of professional-grade performance that can be enjoyed both on the circuit and the open road. Racing success. The RSV4 Factory inherits its racing DNA from Aprilia's extensive experience in World Superbike and MotoGP competitions, boasting a pedigree that includes multiple championships and victories. Global Aprilia community. Aprilia owners form a passionate global community, united by their shared love for the brand, sharing their riding experiences, modifications, and reverence for this iconic motorcycle. Continuous innovation. Aprilia is renowned for its commitment to innovation, continually refining and enhancing its models, and incorporating the latest technologies to maintain its status as a leader in the superbike category. Cultural impact. The RSV4 Factory has made an indelible mark on motorcycle culture, gracing the pages of magazines, starring in racing documentaries, and inspiring riders worldwide who crave the thrill of high-performance superbiking. Exclusivity and performance. Owning an Aprilia RSV4 Factory isn't just about possessing a motorcycle, it's about holding a piece of Italian artistry and experiencing the adrenaline of a bike that has been meticulously designed for both beauty and performance. Conclusion. The Aprilia RSV4 Factory is more than just a motorcycle, it represents the embodiment of Italian passion for design and performance. Riding it is an orchestration of power, it's the roar of the engine, the precision of the frame, and the sensation of pushing the boundaries of superbike performance. As Aprilia continues to refine and expand the RSV4 series, the RSV4 Factory firmly establishes itself as one of the world's premier motorcycles. It beckons to riders who demand the utmost in superbike performance, whether they're conquering the racetrack on weekends or savoring the thrill of spirited rides on the open road. Whether you're a seasoned superbike enthusiast or someone captivated by the allure of Italian craftsmanship and the adrenaline-fueled experience, the Aprilia RSV4 Factory stands as the epitome of superbike excellence, an icon in the world of two-wheeled exhilaration that will continue to captivate riders for generations to come.